a second look today at the LG G6 and see if it is still worth it in 2018. So the LG G6 was LG's flagship of last year, now has been taken by the LG G7, which is a great phone but comes at a hefty price tag as well. $750 for the LG G7. So that makes us look back at the LG G6 and see if it's worth it. Main reason because this has now became brand new. You can pick it up for under $400, which is a great price for this phone. What you get with this phone is definitely high quality. I love the build quality of this phone. I find that it is certainly stronger and holds up more than really any other phone that I've had. And I've been using this phone for about a year since it came out, and really no scratches. And I have carried this without a case, dropped it many times, no cracks, no nothing. It certainly feels solid and just looks overall great. Definitely feels like a premium phone here. Now what you're getting with this LG G6 is you're getting a 5.7-inch screen, so definitely big display here. The bezels are pretty thin. I mean, they're not the thinnest and they're not curved, but very, very thin. You're also getting two cameras here, 13 megapixel cameras. You have a wide angle so you can capture huge groups or huge landscapes as well. On the front, for your selfie camera, you're getting a 5 megapixel, again a wide angle here, similar to what Samsung does on their front-facing cameras. Now also a great feature of this phone, as you know, a lot of phones are becoming more waterproof or water resistant. Certainly with this phone, no less. Taking a pool, taking in the ocean, it's fine. I travel a lot with this phone going on vacation, never had any issues with it. Just make sure if you do bring it in salt water that you certainly rinse it off with fresh water as soon as possible. Has a fingerprint sensor on the back. And let's talk about hardware and performance here for just a moment. So with this phone you're getting a quad-core 2.3 gigahertz processor, 4 gigs RAM, and 32 gigabytes of internal storage. You can also add to that via a micro SD card, which is right next to the SIM card port on this phone. And you're also getting a large 3,300 milliamp hour battery, so it will certainly do all day, and with the quick charge that this phone has, you'll be powering up in no time. So overall, the feel of this phone, the performance is great. There's no lags. The display is very nice, very responsive here, and overall great phone. And for $360, that's the current price that T-Mobile has this phone for. You can't go wrong. So if you're looking for a budget phone that's going to last, a strong build, you may just want to look into this LG G6. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in and watching this. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. More tech videos coming every week to you guys. And with that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.